In recent years, with rapid economic growth, it has further intensified the traffic problems in large cities, especially the traffic jam, pollution, energy sources, and other problems in large cities. With this expansion of the urban area and increasing complexity of urban transportation, this problem becomes more and more prominent. Therefore, based on the need of energy saving and environment protection, many countries reconsider the trolleybus transit system. Trolleybus project investment are on rise in several European countries. Switzerland, France, Italy, Poland, among the countries with the trolleybus network are more diffuse. Significant renewal plans are on the way. Based on this background, Yutong dual energy trolleybus project emerges as the time requires.
Hello everyone, technology makes the travel better. I'm Steven. Thank you for your time to watching this video. And today I can show you the product is dual energy trolleybus with the model of the ZK5125C. Product by our company, Yutong Bus. Yeah. Talk about our company, the Yutong Bus. I want to talk something about it. Firstly, it is the major bus and coach suppliers, and it's successful to promotion out of the countries, more than 300 countries and regions. So, what is special about this product? Okay, don't worry. Next time, I will introduce it for you from several aspects. Okay, here we go. Firstly, the stylish appearance is simple and elegant, and you can see the curved design will give you the sense of technologies. And as you can see, the LED head, this meeting that service life came up to the 50,000 hours. So maybe you can ask the question: what is the relationship between the trolleybus and the pure electric bus? Okay, about this question, I wanna make a point that it's totally based on the Yutong Bus platform. Okay, then as you can see here, there are two sets of systems installed above the roof, especially the trolleybus system and isolation DCC here. They are very important part of the trolleybus. After the appearance, what exactly about the interior? Okay, next time, let me show you. Okay, come on. Wow, standing here just give me a feeling of the bright, spacious, and very quiet. And about the seat, I want to talk something about it. It's totally made of the jean leathers. When you're standing here, you can feel very comfortable and relaxed. And meanwhile, from the dedicated side window, they can take the very nice view to you. Yet passengers have a good sign of the cities. So everything is very perfect. In addition, there are many humanized designs in the car, such as the USB charger. Your digital device can be recharged at any time. And the handrail, about the handrails, we want to talk some things about the isolating the rubber, because passenger can very safe, because they can isolating the vehicle and the passengers to protect them from the high voltage. Yes. But I think the most interesting facility for you, it is leather, right? Because with this totally remain the old design of the traditional ways. Yeah, it is so convenient to clean up and maintain the rope system when necessary. Yes, so convenient for you. which so much being said. How do we come to the rope system exactly? As you can see here, nearby the dashboard, we have the 4 buttons here. And we can use the first button to rise and lower the pull system, and the second and third DC combination keys, and they can automatically and accurate to capture this network. And it's in case of the emergency, we can control this by the first button to operate it to lower the pull quickly. Anyway, with this button, the driver can easily to operate auto actions, and it's more convenient and safer to operate than the old trolley ones. Yes, it's very convenient and safe. Yes. Finally, regarding the trolley pull, we have adopted the lightweight material of the aluminum alloy, which can reduce weight by more than 20%, and the lateral offset position can be reached more than 2 meters during the driving. So it is very flexible. Meanwhile, the vehicle equipped with the 105 kWh of the battery capacities, and the mileage of the offline can be reached more than 80 kilometers. Yes. About the isolation of DC-DC, it is a technology independent developed by our company, which is mainly used for isolating the high voltage of the network and the vehicle. The passenger will be safer with it.
Yutong guides design and development bus product with science technology. Through a number of active and passive safety systems, we line up our commitment to the safety with an international advanced test rate for altering simulation of whole vehicles and chassis, cathodic electric coating production lines, and full automatic painting and welding processes. The reliability and durability of the product are improved. In order to guarantee smooth operation, we also provide you the trusted service, a global service network, high-efficient part distributed mechanism, professional service team, and systematic service training make your operation free of worries.
Okay, in a word, the technology make the world better, and I trust this product can make your city more beautiful and cleaner. I'm Steven, and thank you very much for your time to watch the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.
中国，我们准备好了。
Europe, we are ready.
América, estamos preparados.
I think make a do it. Fighting!